Hey loves, today's video is a clean and decorate with me for hosting guests during the holidays. If you're wondering what you should do to prepare for hosting guests this holiday season, I'll go through my checklist to make sure that your guests feel comfortable and welcome to your home. Please make sure you're subscribed and that your bell is turned on. Vlogmas is coming soon and I don't want you to miss a single video. You'll understand more once Vlogmas starts. And thanks to HelloFresh for partnering with me for this video. More on that in a little bit. But as I go through my checklist, please let me know if there's anything you think I've missed or special touches you've seen done for guests so that we can all have the best tips for when we host guests at our home. So the first thing on my list when I have guests staying overnight at my house is to change the sheets. I love spraying them with some honeysuckle air freshener so they smell extra sweet and clean. And I'm also adding some pretty Christmas pillows to the bed for the season. Next thing on my list is to share the Wi-Fi password. Any guests when they come to your house will appreciate being able to log on and have Wi-Fi during their stay. I also think it's nice to have a little welcome gift, and I found these in the Target dollar spot, and since my sister lives out of state, I thought this would be nice for her to have something to remind her of home to take back with her. I'm also lighting a candle. I think when you're a guest and you come into a clean smelling room, it just gets your visit off to a great start. I also stocked my makeshift bedside table with a bunch of travel necessities, some bath products and lotions, a bunch of travel-sized toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, lint roller, deodorant, all the stuff that could help out guests in case they forget to pack something important. And I also put some extra charge cords in the drawer too. I also got a power strip to put next to the bed so guests can plug in anything they need to charge up during their stay. I put up a few decor items that I wanted to hang just to make the room really fun and festive. So I hung this Happy Holidays garland over the bed, put up a green wreath, and strung some fun multicolored Christmas lights over this door. It was actually in our first home together, but I feel like this just makes the space super inviting and fun for our guests. I'm also plugging in a wallflower to give the room a nice peppermint scent, and finally emptying out the trash can so that guests have a fresh wastebasket for during their stay. And thanks again to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Since I have the subscription, I made sure to have my order come the week before I was hosting guests just to make my life a little easier since my to-do list is overfilled at the moment, and it's such a nice part of my routine not to have to worry about meal planning the weeks that I have HelloFresh being delivered. I love that everything I need comes in the bag, it's pre-measured so I can try new recipes without worrying about buying ingredients I'll never use again. And you can cook up dinner in about 30 minutes.
No, I'm making chicken fajitas.
HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving, and it's America's #1 meal kit. And I couldn't recommend it to you more, especially during this crazy busy holiday season. You can get started with 6 meals free. That's 2 free meals in each of your first 3 boxes. Just go to HelloFresh.com and enter the code BriannaK60 for a total of $60 off. And I'll have all this info in my description box for you as well.
Like it?
Yum, yum, yum.
Now to prepare for guests in our guest bathroom, the first thing I'm doing is to give the mirror and sinks a good clean. And make sure there are fresh hand towels and fresh bath towels put out for guests. I set out plenty of hand soap, and I'm also lighting a pine scented candle in here and going to plug in another one of those sweet scented wallflowers so that the bathroom smells wonderful every time they use it. I'm giving the shower and tub a good clean and also cleaning the toilet. And I'm going to set out extra toilet paper rolls right on top of the toilet so that guests are never out of luck. Finally, I'm going to clean all of the floors, so I will mop in the bathroom and then vacuum in the bedroom so everything is nice, fresh, and clean and smells wonderful and welcoming for when our guests arrive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If there's anything else I've missed, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and don't forget, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming Vlogmas videos. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Bye, loves.